So let's look at this example. In a small town, the population is P0 equals 1,000 at the beginning of the year. The population regularly increases by 2% per year, and moreover 50 new inhabitants per year come to live in the town. How many years does the town need to see its population greater or equal to P 1,200? So at the end of the first year there will be 1,000 inhabitants plus 1,000 times 2, so that will be the 2% increase, plus there'll be 50 people that comes, and the inhabitants will be 1,700. Okay, so therefore it will take 3 years for it to reach equal to or greater than 1,200. So to do this equation, it looks like we just need to return years. We'll set that to 0. So we're going to return how many years it is. In order to work out this inhabitants, we need to cumulatively work out the population. So we'll need to figure out a way to increment that. So we'll need the pop, we'll call it pop for population. We'll set that to currently 0. Now we'll set that to actually P0. P0, which is referring to this one. And then what we'll do is we'll need to keep figuring out what the population is per year until we reach the P. So P is the final population. Og is the number of people that come each year. Percentage is the percentage. So I think we need to convert that to, having a look at that, 5. So that looks like, don't forget to convert the percentage as a so we need to convert it into a percentage. So we'll need to use a while loop. So while the population is less than or equal to, no, it's less than P, because we'll stop once it's the same as 5,000. While the current population is less than the target population of P, we will do we'll get the population, and we'll make that equal to population plus the population times the percent expressed as a decimal. And then what we'll do is we will plus the number of people that come in, so Og, and we need to put that in brackets, and that should be good. And then we'll increment the years by 1 plus equals 1, and I think we can just return the population. No, not the population, we want to return the years. So let's test that. Line 7, year. Yes, years test. So we've passed everything. Great, so I passed.